Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome to Insight with Dara. So we're making this lovely outfit today. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified when I drop a new video. Hello guys, so let's get down to business. So the first thing you're going to do is to get the shoulder measurements of the person. That's the center back of the wearer to the desired length of the sleeve. So I'm working with 19 here. Then the length of the gown, it's actually a short gown. So you come to this edge. This is the folded part here. You come to this edge and measure 10 inches. So from this point you have 10 inches, you start your calculation. We are working with bust 42. So I'm going to mark 42 here. 42 divided by 4, that's 10 and a half. Then I'm going to add additional 2 inches. 1 inch for seam allowance and the other 1 inch for ease allowance. Then from the shoulder, you get your half length, which is 16, but I'm adding half to it, making it 16 and a half. You can just do it out like this. From the shoulder to the hip, we have 9 inches. So this is it here. So if you calculate the waist, we are working with waist 38. Divide by 4 will give me 9 and a half plus additional 2 inches, 1 inch for seam allowance and the other for ease allowance. Then the hip, I'm working with hip 42 as well. This is 42. Then I'm going to be adding extra 2 inches. But it actually depends. If you don't want the hip to be free, you can just leave it at 1 inch. So I'll just go ahead and connect this like this. Then at the base, I'm just shifting it forward so you can actually see it. So this is the down part of the clothes. So I'm just going to go ahead and measure what I have at my hip. Remember, we're working with hip 40. So at the base, I'll just mark what I have at my hip. I made use of 42 divided by 4, that's 10 and a half. Then I'm going to be adding extra 5 inches to it. Since there's no slit, so I'll connect this to this. As you can see, this is what we have here. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to calculate my neck measurement. I'm working with 4 inches by 7.5 inches. At the point we are here, so at this point, you mark 1.5 here and connect this to this. And don't forget to slant the shoulder. You just measure 1 inch here and connect this to this. If you have your ruler, you can do it. It is very easy. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut it out now. So I'll start from the neck here. So guys, I've gone ahead to cut the front. This is the front here. So I just placed the remaining fabric to cut the back. So I'm just going to trace it out, but the neckline will not be the same, and it won't be having a zip allowance. So I'm just going to drop this down a bit. I'm going to be making it around 3.5 inches. Like, so I'm done cutting the neck and the shoulder as well. So I'll just go ahead and trace the body out. So guys, this is the back and the front together. So the first thing I'm going to do is to join the two shoulders together. So guys, this is the outcome after joining the shoulder. So you just go ahead and calculate what you have all through. Like this. So I have like 31. So this is the band we're going to be using for the collar. What I did was just cut 5 inches like this. This 5 inches. Then on fold we have 2.5 inches. So this is the midpoint. So you start from the center back like this. Start from the center back, then you sew it round. So guys, I'm gonna head to fix the collar. So then I want to add this design to it. You can do it whichever way you want to. You just had this leftover material, so I'm going to be adding it. So firstly, I'm going to be sewing it from the upper part here. I sew it from up here, getting the midpoint of it. As you can see, I've already notched it here. So you fix it, sew it, then bring it down. It will look like this. Then you can now continue to sew the other part. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do now. So guys, this is our design. See how it's looking right now. So the next thing we're going to do is to go ahead and fold this together. Is to go ahead and fold it. Then when I'm done folding it, I'll just sew the same allowance at the side. Then I'll go ahead and fold the edge. So guys, this is the outcome of the cloth. So as you can see, this is the folding and this is the sleeve. This is it here. So we are done. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, kindly click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified when I drop a new video.